This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak like restaurant, full guide. Preheat a heavy skillet until it is smoking hot, then sear the steak without moving it for a deep brown crust. Flip once and sear the other side, then lower heat and finish to desired doneness. Rest the steak on a rack to allow juices to redistribute, then slice against the grain and serve immediately. Let's pick the right cut and prep it properly so your steak tastes like it came from a restaurant. Look for visible marbling and a thickness of at least 1 inch for ideal sear and internal control. Trim any heavy fat, but keep a thin edge for flavor and moisture. Season simply and let the steak sit at room temperature before cooking to ensure even heat penetration and juicy results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it makes a great gift for cooks who want smart financial habits. I find it pairs well with meal planning and investing in quality gear. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a high smoke point oil and a preheated pan to get that restaurant quality crust quickly. For thicker cuts, transfer the seared steak to a moderate oven to reach the desired internal temperature without burning the exterior. Use a thermometer to check doneness, and always rest the steak on a rack for several minutes so juices settle. Slice against the grain to maximize tenderness and serve warm with simple accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.